Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope you are doing really well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Muhammad Atahar Islam Manik, lecturer, Department of English, Milestone College, Uttar Dhaka. Today I welcome you to my online class. I will talk about a very important topic, and it is of course a easy topic, and it is from your revised syllabus. Dear students, you know that government has already declared your revised syllabus. And in that syllabus, in suffix and prefix, you will be given 14 gaps and you will have 7 marks. If you practice properly, definitely you will get 7 out of 7. I can assure you that, dear students. Today, first of all, I will show you what is suffix, what is prefix, and how they form new words, what kind of suffix and prefix we have. And after that, we will practice a board question for your betterment. And if you do my class properly, definitely you will do well. Dear students, already you have understood what is my today's topic, and it is suffix and prefix. The students, do you know what is suffix and what is prefix? Let's learn the definition first. Prefix. A prefix is a letter or group of letters placed to the beginning of a word in order to form a new word. For example, the root word is possible, and if we add im as prefix, we get new word impossible. Like happy, unhappy. Here un is prefix. So when we add any letter or group of letters before the root words, that is prefix. There are some important prefixes, and these are un, dis, di, pre, re, im, ir, il, in, over, out, up, sub, pro, miss, anti, extra, etc. Dear students, if you can remember all these prefixes, it will be very helpful for you to solve grammatical problem. Now let's learn suffix. A suffix is a letter or group of letters placed to the end of a word in order to form a new word, like teach, teacher. Here root word is teach, and if we add er as suffix, we get new word teacher. Like health, healthy. So that means if we add any letter or group of letters after the root word, that is called suffix. There are some important suffixes, and these common suffixes are as follows: s, es, d, ed, ing, y, ly, ish, er, est, ness, less, n, wood, full, ship, dome, etc. Dear students, remember that we get opposite meaning when we add prefixes with the root words. Now let's see examples of some common prefixes and learn how they form new words. Dear students, let's practice. First of all, if we add an as prefix with the root word healthy, we get unhealthy. You know, healthy means having good health, and the new word unhealthy means not having good health. Similarly, using un, we get unpunctual. Using dis as prefix, we get dishonest, dishonor. These also have opposite meaning. Using pre, we get pretest, precaution. Using re, we get regain, rewrite. Using de, we get degrade, devalue. The student, you see here we are getting totally opposite meaning when we add prefix with the root word, and then using im, we get impossible. Here you know possible is a root word and impossible im is prefix, and then we get impossible. Similarly, we get proper, improper. Using ir, we get irregular, irresponsible. Using il, we get legal, illegal, legible, illegible. Then using en, we get enrich, enclose. Using mis as prefix, we get misuse, misunderstand. Similarly, using over, we get overcome, overlook, etc. The students, if you look at the examples carefully, you can easily understand that whenever we are adding any prefix with the root word, always we are getting the opposite meaning. And I think you can easily make new words using this kind of prefixes. Dear students, now let's see examples of some common suffixes. Once again, I want you to remind that if you want to do well, you have to understand the meaning of the context first. This is very important. Now let's practice. The students, adding s as suffix, we get boy, boys, dog, dogs. Adding es, we get box, boxes, rich, riches. Adding d, we get dare, dared, prove, proved. Similarly, adding en as suffix, we get beat, beaten, black, blacken. Adding y, we get dirt, dirty, water, watery. Adding ly, we get slow, slowly, quick, quickly. Adding ish, we get book, bookish, full, foolish. Adding full, we get respect, respectful, pain, painful. Adding ic or ical as suffix, we get poet, poetic, ecology, ecological. Adding another important suffix, less, we get helpless, we get shameless. Adding tic or tiv, we get talk, talkative, fantasy, fantastic. Adding al, we get nation, national, nature, natural. Adding able, we get a value, valuable, memory, memorable. Similarly, another important suffix, we get meant. Using adding meant, we get better, betterment, judge, judgment. Similarly, adding dome, we get free, freedom, wisdom. Wood, childhood, live, livelihood. Adding shone, we get eradicate, eradication, expect, expectation. Adding ship, we get relationship, leadership, etc. Dear students, we have many more suffixes. I think you have understood how to form new word adding suffixes. If you want to learn more, you have to practice a lot. The students, hopefully by understanding the meaning properly and by following the examples, definitely you will be able to solve this kind of problems and you will be able to make new words according to the meaning using suffix and prefix properly. The students, we have learned how to form new words using suffix and prefix. Now we will practice a board question which has been taken from Kumila board 2017. The students, let's practice the board question. Kumila board 2017. The students, you can see you will be given a passage and in that passage you will have 14 gap, and in each gap you will be given a root word and you have to change the root word using suffix or prefix, and of course you have to follow the meaning. The students, let's practice. Trees are dash to man in many ways. In blank space we have use as root word, so according to meaning it will be useful. So trees are useful to man in many ways. They are companion in our day-to-day life. It is dash to build our homes, furniture, etc. without trees. In blank space we have possible, and according to meaning it will be impossible. So the second answer is impossible. Trees save us from flood and dash calamities. So according to meaning it will be natural calamities. So our third answer is natural. Eat dash the soil. In blank space we have strength. So according to meaning the answer will be strengthens. So the fourth answer is strengthens, because here it is third person singular number, that's why we have to add s with the main verb. If we cut trees dash, there will be ecological dash. So in our blank space we have discriminately, so according to meaning the answer will be indiscriminately. So if we cut trees indiscriminately, there will be ecological dash. So in our gap we have balance, so the answer will be imbalance. So if we cut trees indiscriminately, there will be ecological imbalance. So tree dash program should be extended for a better dash life and dash environment. So in our blank space in number G, according to meaning it will be plantation. So tree plantation program should be extended for a better. In H the answer will be happier. In I the answer will be healthier. So tree plantation program should be extended for a better, happier, healthier life, and in J it will be peaceful environment. So in J the answer will be peaceful. In order to dash this program, we have to make people know how trees are dash connected to our life. So according to meaning in number K the answer will be realize. So in order to realize this program we have to make people know how trees are inseparably connected to our life. That means in number L the answer will be inseparably. So we have to utilize dash and dash the mass media to inform people of the dash of trace. So according to meaning, in number M the answer will be social. From society the answer will be social, and in number N the answer will be importance. So we can say, so we have to utilize social and the mass media to inform people of the importance of trace. So dear students, this is all about today's board question. Hope you have enjoyed the class, and for your betterment you must practice a lot. Thank you very much.